Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to paint terracotta beads. For that, which are the basic material which we need. Here you can see toothpicks and a thermocol plate. Any thermocol plate you can take because we need to prick inside the thermocol sheet. So we are taking that sharp edge, both side toothpick. So let's start how to paint the beads together in many quantity, not like one by one, because if you do one by one, like you are painting one and you are leaving, let it dry, then you will do another one, it will take long time. So all together you can do it at a time. So I'm showing that process. Let's start. Here you can see I have taken some big beads. So now you can see how to paint together at once. So this is how I put one edge inside the hole, and I'm taking golden color and just painting in a one stroke. You don't have to paint like this, it will be a messy. So try to finish like that. Start from top portion and go to the bottom part like this, very gently. If you are not satisfied with the one coat, you can repeat a second coat, and then what you have to do, you have to just put it down to let it dry. If you will put in your hand, it will take long time to dry. So I'm taking like this another bead. Similarly, I'm painting that also. So this is less time taking process of painting at once. You can see you need to cover whole side nicely, even the bottom part. Taking another. You can even start from the bottom. If you are not able to see the bottom part nicely, you can do start from the bottom part, then you can go up. This is how you can do any color in your beads without waiting. You can do many at once. Making terracotta jewelry is all about playing with your patience. So do your painting portion only when you are very free, because if you have to get up that time, then your paint will be waste, because that will be dry. So this is how you can paint any shape of bead together in many quantity. I'm going to use these beads for making a gold beaded necklace, like big size in center and then small descending order. So these are the different sizes of beads. If you wanted to see designs for the terracotta jewelry, you can go through my page on Facebook, Sri Jewelry Place, where you can find many designs. You can get an idea. If you are a beginner, you can see the growth there. Now you can see the first one which I have paint, it's completely dry. We can just remove that bead and we can transfer another bead there. So if you don't have much toothpicks, you can use 10 at a time. You can reuse that. Let me show you how. This was the first one which I have painted. Now you can clearly see it's completely dry and it's looking pretty golden bead. So I'm just putting aside, and that was the stick toothpick which I have used, so I can reuse that. I'm putting same toothpick for another bead. If you will paint your beads by this method, you can paint your beads in short time and it won't take long time, and your set will be ready very soon. Because even I used to paint the color, paint my beads one by one. That used to take very long time. And later on I start like this, so it is less time taking process for painting beads. Now you can see in just 1 minute I have painted so many beads. I can paint more than that also. Will take Now you can see I have a 3-way connector to make my chain necklace with 3 chains. So I am going to paint this. I have to paint one side first, then I will just let it dry. When it will be completely dry, I will do the other sides also. Make sure when you are brushing, your stroke should be straight, not like messy. So if you're starting from top portion, it should go straight towards bottom portion. That will show how clean you are brushing your pieces and the look will be nice. Now I'm doing the side portion, you can see, and I have a space to do at the back also. So we need to cover all over with our any color which you want. I am using here golden because I have to make golden set, means golden neck piece. So I'm doing here with the golden. Now I'm putting down. Need to paint other connector, you can see. We can feel the shine whether paint is wet or dry. So there is a huge difference. When you will paint, you will realize if like this bead is completely dry, so I can just see the beads shine, and this is still wet. So don't touch if it is wet, otherwise you have to repaint, and by repainting your piece can be spoiled. So make sure 1 or 2 coat is fine, otherwise they can make mess. So this is how we can paint our beads all together. I hope you like my video. In next video I'll show you something else. If you like my video, please subscribe, like, share, and keep watching. Thank you so much.